Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is uh winning $1,000 PayPal gift card. It's really hardly nothing to do. I know everybody likes PayPal money. I know I do, but this is like really simple. They've been doing this for a while now. As you can see right here, they've given out over 237,000 in cash and prizes. But yeah, all you do is fill out this little 3-question survey and submit your email address, and you will be entered to win $1,000 PayPal gift card. This is really for real. This is not some kind of joke or gimmick. I wouldn't put anything to my name if it was some kind of scam. So if you want a chance to win $1,000 PayPal gift card, like I say, you just fill out this 3-question simple survey and submit your email address after that, and you will be entered into winning the $1,000 PayPal gift card. With that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.